Hi, Rashid, Kapadia here with an Eloquence tip on a Wednesday. Today's tip is additive, not argumentative. What does this mean? I've come across this phrase not once, twice, and I think it's worth listening to. One is from the impromptu world. Impromptu is people putting together a play with no planning. They just have to make one statement and then another actor has to read what this person is saying and try to create a scene. It's a remarkably difficult and successful art form. And at its core are a few principles, one of which is additive, not argumentative. So it means you must say yes and instead of no but. Regardless of what someone says, you say yes and you build on the argument. I've also heard of this approach, additive, not argumentative, in creating group flow. So let's say there's a team that's doing work and we have differing points of view. Instead of saying no but, as you respond, just say yes and. I have this policy, I think this policy is right, to which I could respond no, but I could say yes and how about this? Additive more than argumentative. If you can't avoid arguments, much more additive, much less argumentative, but preferably additive, not argumentative, is a way of getting into that state of flow where all of y'all who are discussing a matter will feel your best and perform your best. So that's our tip today, to be more eloquent, both in the spoken word and when creating your written communication. Additive, not argumentative. Additive, not argumentative. Good luck.